G'day everybody.
Hello.
We're at National Park. We're having a launch at the South Townsville boat ramp for a change, and looks like the weather's going to be good and we're going to have a good ride around Maggie. Brekkie, a horseshoe as per usual, pretty boring, and then a swim probably at Florence. So we're all dressed up in our matching crap today, so expect plenty of photos and yeah, whatever happens. Okay, we'll see you later.
See ya.
So we're over at Picnic Bay now, which is just sensational this time of the morning. We'll just pan around and show you. I guess every bay is nice at high tide, but this one being the traditional, one of the traditional bays on the island that everybody knows about, and it's just beautiful.
The water is so warm.
The water's warm,
Very warm.
according to
Yes.
Ollie, compared to Russia. No?
Yeah, beautiful.
And there we go. People fish on the jetty. Boats all anchored up here because it's a northerly and a northeasterly at the moment, so this is the sheltered side of the island. So we'll have some fun when we go around the back. Having a quick swim at Lovers Bay here, which is part of the 5 beach bay around on the, I guess, the northeastern side of the island, facing Rattlesnake. And so your first beach around from Horseshoe. So it's been a sort of family favourite beach of ours. So very small. You can only fit a couple of boats in here, but yeah, beautiful place to have a little swim. And then we're going to go and have some brekkie. Just had brekkie at the picnic. Pretty ordinary, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. And we're over at Picnic because it's blowing a bit, and around the northerly, that's around the Horseshoe side. So come around Picnic, have a bit of brekkie, have a bit of a swim, maybe have a quick beer, do a bit of a photo shoot with Ollie, and be on our way. So I'm at Picnic Bay, and what a beautiful spot this is here. But just pan around, you can see just a paradise here that's only sort of 8 k's from Townsville, and a real short ride on our ski just to get over here. And yeah, cafes, really underutilised this bay in particular. Most people go to Horseshoe and all that sort of thing, and Nelly, but yeah, Picnic Bay is a real special place. See you later. So here's Team Watson in our blue get-ups. Just having a bit of a refreshment at Picnic Bay. Beautiful here. What are all you guys doing? Hope you're enjoying your Sunday before we go back to work tomorrow.
Yay!
Hey. Sound enthusiastic about it anyway, but we all know the real truth. I'd rather be doing this 7 days a week. Hey?
Yeah.